15.41 meters, his mark in qualifying from Kingston College, Raquelme Hunter. 14.98 meters in qualifying from Calabar, Khalil Samuels. 14.74 meters in qualifying, he was third in the long jump. He was first field, Ajari Bloomfield. 0.81 meters in qualifying from Calabar, Antonio Anderson. 15.13 meters is mark in qualifying. He was second last year in this event. Already a silver medalist in the long jump this year from Jamaica College, Javier Cato. 50 meters in qualifying from Wilmersmore.
Wow.